Hi, this is Raymond Rafferty, and we're really excited. We've got some great new content features and great new marketing features using that content. In this tutorial, I want to take you through our new playlist functionality. A playlist is a series of videos that you might want to share with someone. And you create the list, and then I'll show you how to share those out. You can also use these if you want to create like a kiosk, if you're at a trade show or some other type of show, and you've got a computer that's freestanding and you just want a series of videos to be running continuously in a loop and in full screen, you can do that as well. You can also share these lists out from your Business Builder website with other people. So if you have a specific message you want to share and a series of videos would help you do that, this is the way to do it. So first of all, let's look at what is a playlist. I've defined a couple different playlists, NAR and social so far. We also create general playlists for the American Agent Network that might be used in different ways. So we've decided that there are some AAN videos and some social networking things that any user within American Agent Network might be able to use. But let's look at, for instance, a social playlist that I created. When I select the list, it gives me a link to my Business Builder website. You'll see the rrafferty.anweb.com. That's my personal Business Builder website. If I click on the link, it takes me to my Business Builder website and to that video series there. You'll notice that it shows a link for each of the different videos. So I can click on the image of that and it shows a different video. If I let this run all the way through this specific video, then it will loop back to the first video in the series. I can also click my full screen button and it will come up in full screen mode. So that's what a playlist does for you. Let's talk about how do you create a playlist. The first thing that's important to me is I need to select a different video to see. So let's go in, and the first thing that I want to do, let's say that I want to create an introduction to American Agent Network that is something that I feel good about. It's something that I think my potential recruits or potential clients might be interested in seeing. So the first thing is to really select what videos do you want in here. Let's look in the categories American Agent Network. Let's see what we have here. I'm going to do an introduction. I'm going to start with an introduction from Don Martin. And I'm going to add this to my playlist. And I could select one of the previous playlists I created, but I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to call it AAN Introduction. I'm going to add this to that list. So now if I go back into the Media tab, you'll notice that I've got an AAN Introduction in here. And as it brings up that link, if I click on that, it takes me to my Business Builder website, and you'll see that that one video is playing in here. Right? So that's great. I've got a video there, but I can do that by just selecting a particular video and doing it. But now the next thing I want to do is I want to really talk about what are some of the functionality, what are some of the features of the American Agent Network. So I'm going to choose the groups, and I want to share that out. So I'm going to add that to my playlist, to my AAN Introduction playlist. I'm going to add that to there. I also am interested in sharing with people what is this social media thing that's going on, and so why is American Agent Network important with that. So let's click on Social Media Revolution. Now this is a video that we brought in from YouTube, and you can choose any of the millions of videos out there. There's another tutorial that shows you how to add videos, but I'm going to add this to my playlist. And then I also want to add on a testimonial. So I'm going to choose Alan Randall because he's such a spectacular speaker. Let's go ahead. We're going to add this to our playlist. We're going to add to our list. All right. So now I've got 4 different videos that are unique to what the message is that I want to try to deliver. So as I go out here, I can go to my AAN introduction, click back to my personal website, and now you notice all 4 of those videos are here. So I've got Don's video, I've got our group's introduction, we've got the social media video, and we've got the testimonial. And again, so these can all run in sequence, and they will run continuously for somebody to come back to and see. People can stop them, they can play them in full screen, and all that good stuff. Now, what you want to check out is also the tutorials on sharing, because this is really the important part. So if I want to, I'll go ahead and quickly share this one out. Let's send this to someone via email. And then I'm going to send this. I can also do some other things. I can share this out. Let's say that I want to put this on Twitter. I have a link that I can do that. So I can add this into my Twitter account. All right, so now I can add this onto my Twitter account. So what's happening, I'll just type in introduction to American Agent Network. Oh, that's about right. And update. And that's it. So now I have this on my Twitter page. So if I go into here, click on the link, this will take me back to that same page with my same introduction. So I can put this up on Twitter. There's several different places I can share this back to. If I want to share it back to Facebook, if I want to share it back to StumbleUpon, Live, my Google, I can share it to Google or Gmail, in my favorites. There's lots of different things I can do this. This is a way to quickly get your message out to a large number of people in a simple way using video. We also have articles on how to, or we also have tutorials on how to do this through articles and the like. I hope this was helpful, and we'll talk to you next time.